It's 7 a.m. and that's the sun rising. I know it's covered by clouds, but trust me, the sun is there. And in 12 hours, we're gonna be on the other side of Singapore watching the sunset. But we're not gonna drive, no. It's 36 kilometers and we're gonna walk all of it.
Is that what it's all about? A little innuendo.
Please excuse this very terrible rendition of the island of Singapore. We're gonna start around here at Marina Barrage, up the river, through Chinatown, and end up here at Tuas. And that is, boom. This stuff doesn't really matter, it's just a route, right? East to west. If you don't understand that, please go back to kindergarten. What really matters is who I'm doing this with, because I can't do this alone. It's gonna be so boring. So I enlisted the help of one of my closest friends, Kush Kapoor.
What do you get when you combine a society with people who get on the side? You get what you deserve.
What the?
I lost an AirPod.
I don't really remember what we were fighting about. I mean, it was 2019, obviously, because we had just watched Joker. The point is, I've known Kush a long time. But before this, I hadn't actually seen him for a whole year. If you're gonna ask why, the answer is very simple. It's because we both go to different colleges. I go to NYU and he goes to Duke. And the last time I had seen him back here in Singapore, we had watched Mean Girls, and then we were planning to hang out with Brian the next day, and then they both got COVID. And so that just kind of killed all the plans. So it's been a long time in the making for me and Kush to meet up again, which is one of the reasons why we're doing this really stupid idea. It's currently 7 a.m. and that's the sunrise.
No, it's not live.
Okay, you're gonna undermine me in this intro? 11 hours and 39 minutes. Starts now. We have that much time to get to us and see the sunset. Pump house? Do you mean the gym? He smiled, guys.
That was kind of funny. I saw that coming.
I'm actually king of the pump house, that's what they call me. Look at that, we're so tall. Oh, come on. Oh, so yesterday you thought we were the same height, but now you're taking advantage of the fact that I told you that you were taller than me.
Exactly.
Okay.
Well said.
I'm feeling the bridge bounce. Is that just me?
No, it is not.
Isn't it?
It is bouncing.
There's otters over there. Hold on, let me get closer. There they are. Oh, they're coming this way. Oh, they're gonna get in the water. Wait, oh, is that what you're supposed to do? I've always just like scooped it out and mixed it.
Why do you think it moves like that?
Okay, see, that makes a lot of sense, okay? I just never thought of it that way. This is really dumb. Okay. So this used to be Singapore's postal office. And that's a hotel. Yeah, right?
Look, it's the fat pigeon. Pretty sure that's what it's called.
No, it's very clearly not called the Fat Pigeon.
Oh, it's just called Bird.
It's just...
Terra sculpture allows one the pleasure of caressing reality.
They have reduced the mixed sauce, like the whatever McMuffin down to just bare. They didn't even bother to put it
That's
together.
so weird. Mine is so much better well put together. Mine is like, what are you doing? Showing your consumers what they want to see.
Tuesdays and Thursdays, you can find me here dancing here.
Hey yo, my friend's Filipino chick.
What are you doing?
A lot of white people keep staring at me. I'm looking at my jersey. I just realized this.
Yeah, maybe you shouldn't have worn a Duke University.
You told me to!
I told you to wear something nice. I didn't tell you to wear an RJ Barrett jersey.
Okay, you're just jealous that it's an RJ Barrett jersey.
I am jealous it's an RJ Barrett jersey. I want that jersey. You still use Fahrenheit? Do you use Celsius?
I don't speak Fahrenheit ever.
Yeah, that's the correct answer.
29.
It's 29 degrees only?
Feels like 31.
Feels like, yeah, like above 30.
It's
a cat. Oh, it heard me. It looked right at me when I did that. Come on, cross the road. Actually, don't do that. You might get it. Okay, I want everyone to like the video if you're a cat person.
Please.
What?
I thought you were better than that.
What do you mean? Okay.
Smash that like button right down below. comment your favorite experience exploring your hometown. And hell, while we're at it, why don't you just hit that subscribe button? Signing off for now. Pound it, noggin. See ya! You look like one of the 3 blind mice.
2 guys with sunglasses on. Oh yeah. Ladies,
I want to take my sunglasses off.
seriously? Bro, you know what's an underrated show?
Don't you say Hawkeye.
It is, but that's not what I was gonna say. Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., bro. I've watched 2 MCU shows, Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. and Hawkeye. That's all I need.
It's around the time I should have been waking up. Well, I'm not unhappy because I have 13,000 steps. I'm not complaining. I just said I'm not unhappy.
The HDB complex has a very Wes Anderson feel to it, honestly. Interesting. What? People are looking at us.
What? Well, they're all looking at you with your camera.
Oh, yo, dude. Dude, I think we know what time it is. Uh-oh. Where's my umbrella?
You had an umbrella?
Don't, you're playing with me.
I'm not playing with you. You had an umbrella?
Oh no, I lost it. What? I just bought it yesterday.
Well, this is usable footage. Just...
Dude, where did it must have dropped somewhere, but where? Guys, I have looked through the hours of footage that Kush and I recorded. I have no idea where the umbrella's gone. It's gone because I still had it when we left McDonald's. But by the time I was putting my sunglasses on, it was gone. Meaning somewhere in between we lost it. I mean, but neither of us hear or see it. But, you know, it's a cheap umbrella from 7-Eleven, so it's not like the worst thing in the world to lose, right? Grandma sent you?
This is my grandma. She just sent me a happy Sunday.
Hope your day starts on a happy note and ends beautifully. I mean, it started with Cal and it's gonna end with Cal, so.
It's not a great Sunday.
Not a great Sunday at all. Going into Mount Favorite Park.
Yeah, we always have a good time.
Taking a shortcut through this forest.
Weather is hell, ain't no sunshine.
I'm not feeling it.
So you think it's gonna rain?
I do think so. I don't think it'll be like long, but it'll probably be like maybe up to an hour or so.
Look at this, just beautiful forest.
Got my bit pump.
Go, got a pump on. Oh, you heard the thunder? Oh.
That sounds like a lot.
Oh man, I really wish I didn't lose my umbrella. The scenic route, the shorter route. Thank you. Now Kush is pretending to want to go this way when I asked him.
Hey, this guy said he didn't want to go the scenic route because he's tired and we're gonna walk a lot. And I was like, I kind of want to.
Weather is hell, ain't no sunshine.
Walk all the way from those buildings here.
Weather is hell, ain't no sunshine.
Look, we're supposed to go here. We're stuck. We're trapped. No, we can't.
Come on.
There's guys, right?
We're so chill.
I don't like doing things that I can't foresee the consequences of, which I guess is a good thing with Kush because he balances me out. And with enough convincing, we hop the fence.
It's actually like so fire. Why would they cut this off?
Dude, look at the drop.
That's so fire.
No, it's not.
No, you don't want to like flip slide.
Oh, it is just raining. It's just straight up raining now.
What?
It's just straight up raining now.
No, it's not.
It is.
Okay, then more reason to go faster. Right?
Yeah. I got
Also, like if we get caught in the rain here, so what?
Yeah, maybe I should have looked for my umbrella.
Also, like if we get caught in the rain here, so what? Also, like if we get caught in the rain here, so what? Also, like if we get caught in the rain here, so what?
Look, my shirt's gonna be see-through by the end of this. Why is it that every time I decide to do a walking video, it starts raining? Oh my gosh, dude, oh my gosh. We need to figure out what to do. Honestly, we can't really stop for too long, otherwise we're gonna not make it. It's raining, so we're gonna go to a mall, buy an umbrella, get some stuff, and then... You wanna eat lunch? Alright, so we're gonna go to a mall, eat lunch, and then we're gonna have to take some sort of public transport to catch up. But no, we'll be okay though. It said it was gonna 40% rain. And also it says it's gonna rain, it doesn't say how much it's gonna rain. Okay, we decided to go to Alexandria Central Mall, which is right here, this mall, but we still gotta go under all this rain.
I kind of want to walk it just because.
It's not that bad.
Okay, here I go. I'll catch you back in the mall. I feel like this maybe goes for everybody, but I don't like breaking promises, especially the ones that are on video, right? I say at the start of the video, we're gonna walk all across Singapore, right? All across this. And look at us, taking buses, not walking. But in this moment right here at lunch, this changed the entire thing for me. Because I had to make a decision. I had to choose between fulfilling the promise I made or just having a good time with one of my closest friends. Yes, theoretically, we could push on through this worsening storm, but by the end of the day, we'd both be pissed off at each other, soaking wet, and unhappy. Or we could mishmash the rest of the walk with buses and trains, and still be happy by the end of the day. And when you put it that way, how hard is the decision? So, walking. Okay, the rain is kind of let up after lunch. Really? It is, huh?
Raise your glass and toast your friends. Someday we will fight again. Well, your enemies, your tragedies.
Oh, what happened?
He almost left me.
What took you so long?
Oh, there's a guy, an old guy in front of the staircase and shit.
There it is.
And the beginners don't even know what song they're singing. Well, there's no one left around, and you're the last.
Here, look at this. I'm back in Manhattan, baby. Crocodiles.
This broken scene is turning green. Brass knuckles left in the rain. Death wish kids among the living. I wanna ride on the divide. Anything but the mainstream. Where the fuck is your okay man? And all the losers can't even win for losing. And the beginners don't even know what song they're singing. Well, there's no one left around, and you're the last.
Oh, Buena Vista's where the Star Vista is? I'm so dumb, bruh.
Oh, I didn't know that.
The Star Vista's where my high school has its graduations.
I took-
Except for the class of 2020, 21, and 22 because of this pandemic. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's still raining, so oh wow, you can't see that at all. As I charged my camera batteries, it hit me that this right here, out of all the things that Kush and I have done, this reminded me the most of what it was like to hang out with him back in high school. Because yeah, over the past couple weeks we had worked out, we had went to the Museum of Ice Cream, we had visited our high school, but none of those things captured the magic of just messing around during a free period. 2 hours and 48 minutes until the sun sets. Yeah, he says that because it's so overcast we might not even see it. Life happens, just take what comes. No, I didn't, I swear. I swear I did not do that on purpose. Come on, the bandana? No, you're not rocking with it?
I think very particular people can pull it off, but you'd have to change your whole body.
Bandana people like laid back and
Golf.
shit. I can see where you're I actually can't see where you're coming from. But let me know in the comments if we're rocking with the bandana.
Smash that like button. I'll do that later.
Imagine if just every video now I just put your outro. Smash that like button.
Wait, is that on the camera?
Which one?
That the thing I did. It is, right? Can we watch it?
Oh, like the yeah.
Do it. Oh my goodness. That guy just wiped out on his mic.
We have just crossed under the 2-hour mark, meaning we have about an hour and a half until the sun like begins to really start setting. You got to get going. Break time's over. This might be the first time I can actually have the sun shine on me in the last 6 hours. It's actually crazy. It's been officially 12 hours since I woke up. My gosh, it's been a long day. Come on, let's start training. last 2.5 kilometers. Densest city in the world, yet you got places like this. Look at this abandoned building, run down. What say we start a film production company? That's the studio. Calgalicia YouTube studio. Just think about that.
Oh, so almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there. Oh, dude, you want to take this sign?
I mean, I have several signs like in Durham because it might be very legal there.
Oh, well, yeah, it clearly fell out of that.
Yeah. But I have a Chapel Hill one that says Hooper Lane, and I love it. That's like on the wall in my
Gang
room.
of felons right there. Look at this screen nature. Beautiful day outside. He's addicted to his phone.
What? Huh? I didn't hear what you said.
Like, ironically or like?
No, unironically, I did not hear what you said.
And my point is proven.
Kind of. Show you.
We're here, go down here, Raffles Marina, jetty, and the lighthouse should be somewhere there.
So-called the right track, faded white hats, grabbing credits and made the transfers. They read all the books, but they can't find it.
It's the bridge to Malaysia right over there. Oh, we're not going to Malaysia. Wow, look at that, like, boathouse. Is this where
Universal Studios. Lights, camera, action.
Dude, yeah, I was 1,000% I was about to say that. There it is. Look at this. Proof that we made it all the way out here.
Stay inside the lines. But something's better on the other side. I wanna run through the halls of high school. I wanna scream.
I've never really understood what journey is the reward means. And that's mostly because I'm impatient. You know, I want things now. I want to finish filming and editing this video now. It has been so long. But what this journey with Kush taught me is that what's really important is what the journey helps facilitate. And in this case, it was connecting with one of my closest and oldest friends. Did this day turn out the way I thought it would? No, it didn't. I thought my legs would be cramping up by the time I got to Tuas. They weren't. I thought I would be cursing my past self for coming up with this stupid idea. I wasn't. What I was doing was having a nice talk with an old friend. And at the end of the day, when you throw in a good view, how much better can it really get? Good evening. Thank you for following me on this journey. Thank you for following Kush and I on this journey. Is it Kush and me? You're right. Thank you for following Kush and me on this journey. This was a really stupid video idea. Obviously it didn't turn out the way I hoped it would because of the freaking Singapore rain, the tropics, But you know, life happens and you just gotta deal with it.
Double doors, and when I stand on these tables before you, you will know what all this time was for.
Smash that like button right down below.